Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, thank you so much for cooperation. To dear my parents and my sweet little fairies, butterflies, my intelligent students. Okay, so first of all, we have to complete the chapter wise. Okay, then inshallah, I will give more time for inshallah revision. Okay, more exercise. That's why I am telling to you, you should complete this work in the book. Later on I will give in the copy. And thank you so much. If you have any doubt, then you are mashallah clearly asking to someone, and thanks the other person, those are clear the doubts and those are understanding me. Thank you so much. And whatever I am giving now, this computer work, you should complete in the book. If it is possible, you should complete in the copy. Otherwise, please, 99 no, 100% you gave time to your child for the learning. So I want to reduce the written work. That's why my concern, they should now total concentrate on studies on learning work and understand. So that's why I am not pushing now to write. Just complete in the book. Okay, if for example you want give test, welcome, you write with the pen and give test, same work they should complete in the copy, as well as you also satisfy the work is complete in the copy and as well as the book. So this is good for you. So again, thank you both of you, parents and my sweet students. Now we will start our class. So our lesson is keyboard. We know keyboard, right? I explained before also. So now the exercise is, choose the first exercise is A. Choose the correct word and write in the space provided. The cursor look like, here option is given A, B and C. So here is the one line, then plus and multiplication. So what the answer is? Yes, cursor look like I shapes. So like that you should complete the work. Okay dear all. Second, dash key takes the cursor to the next line. Which key? Delete, enter or shift key? Yes, enter key. A, third one, A, B, C, D are dash keys. A to Z or A, B, C, D. Which one is coming from the letters like A, B, C, D? It is called alphabet. Dash is the longest key on the keyboard. Everybody know. Space bar. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Here also giving the options: cursor, control, functions, delete, 10, 2. So there are dash number keys on the keyboard. Dash, second one, dash key erase the character or on the right side of the cursor. Third one, there are dash shift key on the keyboard. Fourth one, arrow keys are also called dash keys. Then fifth one is F1. This is black one. It is written as F1 is a dash key. So come to the C, tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. There are 5 arrows keys. True and false. Space bar is the shortest key on the keyboard. Ouch! It's true? It's tick or cross? Tell me. A, B, C, D are alphabets key. Come to the next page. Here also shift key is continue. Fourth one is shift key is used in combination with the other keys. Fifth is caps lock key is used to write small letter. Now come to the D. Answer the following question. Okay, so better you should complete in the book this all exercise then as a test. Okay, and students, I know you are very intelligent and very good, so whenever your parents are giving for the test in your computer copy, don't say I don't want to write. Say okay mama, I will complete. So you are my sweetie students. You should follow the all work, all rules. Okay, so answer the following question. First question, which key is used to insert blank space between words? What is the answer? Very good, space bar. Which key shows the direction of the cursor? Right, left, up, down? Yes, arrow keys. Which key is used to type the capital or uppercase letter? Capital or upper means also big letters like capital A, capital B. So caps lock. Okay, 3 answers completed. Now come to the here, match the column A column to B column. So you are the intelligent, I know very well. Fat you will do. Okay, now come, it's so interested, so interested. Coloring, you like color, I know very well. Given below is the picture of the keyboard. Color the key with different color. Here the given alphabets key blue color and number key is red color. Space bar key, yes, yellow color, and caps lock key purple. Backspace key green in color and enter key is yes, brown color. So it's easy, you will do the coloring and you like, I want the color neat. Okay dear all, I know in UKG section also you did the coloring nicely in the red apple like that, and first class also drawing book it was, so you did the color. I know your color also mashallah very good. So calm down little bit. Here is the identifications. The things given below has the same initials as the keys. Like identify these things and key. Also complete the missing letter. Can you identify this is, what is this? Apple. Then what is this? Arrows. Apple and arrow. What? Bat. And this is A. B means backspace key. C, cat, and C, caps lock. Come to the next and last page for you. Okay, D for dog and D for delete. E for again, E for enter. S for twinkle twinkle little star, like my student, my stars. S for star and S for shift key. So now our computer class finished. See, so easy. So with me you should complete the work. Don't take stress. So thank you so much for your concentrations and listening. Okay, thank you so much for listening me. So please, again I will tell to you, please, this work, computer work and Islamic study work, you should special computer work, because better you will complete now in the book, and Islamic study question and hard new words you should complete in the copy and exercise in the book. Okay, because in the Islamic study no space for the answer, but in the computer space are there, so better the answer write in the computer book, no problem, but later on you should complete in the copy. It's better, if possible you should, if not possible no problem, but Islamic study question answers and new words you should write in the copy. and exercise complete in the book. I think you clear your doubts. Thank you so much. We will meet inshallah in next class. Till take care. Remember in your all duas. Thank you very much.